Welcome to Innovent Foods. Today we are making a beautiful soft and moist marble cake. A classic sponge cake with chocolate swirl that's both delicious and stunning. Let's begin. Start by adding 3 eggs into a bowl. Beat them for about 1 minute. Always use room temperature egg for better volume when beating. Marble cakes were originally made by blending molasses into light batter. Now add half cup sugar and beat until the sugar completely dissolves. Pour in half cup oil and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix everything well. Now sift in the dry ingredients, 1 and 1/4 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Sieve and mix gently. Marble cakes are loved around the world from Germany to the US to South Asia. It's a great way to enjoy both vanilla and chocolate flavors in one bite. Don't overmix the batter. Once flour is added, it keeps the cake soft. Add 1/4 cup milk gradually. Mix until the batter is smooth. Now divide the batter into 1/3 portion. In one part, add 2 tablespoons cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons milk. Mix well to make the chocolate batter. Homemade marble cake has no preservative unlike store-bought ones. You can reduce the sugar slightly and still enjoy a delicious flavor. Now grease the 6-inch cake mold and place a baking paper inside. Pour half of the vanilla batter first. Then pour the chocolate batter. Finally, pour the remaining vanilla batter on top. Place a pan on the stove with the wire stand inside. Preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Place the mold inside the pan, cover and cook for 35 to 40 minutes on medium-low heat. Once done, let it cool and serve. Using oil instead of butter gives it a lighter texture and is easier to digest. Eggs provide protein, make this a more satisfying treat than regular sweets. Do you like more vanilla or more chocolate in your marble cake? Would you like to see a marble banana or mango version next? Let us know in the comments. Your feedback inspires our next recipe. And if you enjoy soft homemade cakes, make sure to follow Innovent Foods. That's it for today's lovely marble cake. Soft, flavorful and so pretty. Thanks for spending time with Innovent Foods. We'll back soon with another simple homemade recipe. Until then, happy cooking.